Well, this is absolutely brilliant. Why don't others do it? Make television into a feature. Look, it feels as though it's standing on an easel. I'm in suite 626 of the Ritz Paris. I love the really serious fibre optics and the cream linens. I'm more or less off white linens at the moment. I love the bedside lights. It's not over the top, it's extremely elegant throughout. I'm on the 6th floor, obviously, with 626, and there is Opera Garnier under its wraps, and I'm looking down at gardens, see if I can get a picture of it, and rooftops, and a very grey sky today. Beautiful curtains. The French do their curtains absolutely marvelously. And looking around, here we have nice little things like a little clock and push buttons. I like those. What have we got in here? Ah, bathroom. Oh, very elegant. Very elegant. Look at that. Look at the taps, the faucet, little television, holder for my rings. Gorgeous bathtub. Oh, heavenly. Gold fittings and peach-coloured towels here. Oh boy, that's where the water comes out. Their own toiletries, things to pull in an emergency. Another clock. They do want me to know the time, which is very thoughtful of them, actually. Shower. All kinds of shower heads. It's funny, it seems much bigger than it actually is. I was here so long ago, I can't remember what it was like before, but I know I was not pleasantly surprised by the room, or rather I was surprised, but not in a nice way. But this one I absolutely love. It's very stylish, it's colour coordinated, and it's French. It definitely says France to me. Or rather Paris. No, it's lovely from beginning to end, and it's very practical. No idea what's in all these cupboards. I'll search through them later. But do look, it might be very classic. I've got a classic desk, but I've got nice sockets, everything I need there. Very pleasant. Here at the Ritz Paris.